So he's taking everything apart now. We're just cleaning it up in here, as you guys can see. The bumper's at right now. Everything else looks good. I'll show you guys the head. My bumper's off, as you guys can see. Everything is off. We're almost done. It hasn't been here in a long time, the car. You guys haven't seen it in a minute, but it's back. It was in Texas. I left it there. The head was bad. It had a crack in it. Not for me. Stuff happens. It's okay, though. I'll show you guys the bumper and the headlight. New head's going on soon, so let's show you guys this shit real quick. Boom. Here's the headlight. I'm gonna do a little bit of work on it because this one doesn't turn on right now, so I'm gonna get a new bulb for that shit and ballast. But yeah, here's the lip and bumper. But yeah, here's my manifold and my DME N55. A lot of people brick these shits. I don't know why. I actually had to replace mine not too long ago, but yeah. The car is looking amazing. Here's the head over here. Yeah, it looks very good. It just came back from the shop. They said it has no flaws. It can just go right on mine. It's actually from a lower mileage car, which is amazing. I have a decently higher mileage car now, like probably 140 now or so this would be good. Lower mileage head, less problems, less wear, no buildup in here, as you can see, no oils, you know, long oil changes or whatever. I'll be good to drive it and push it. And the other thing is the car is just so dirty, bro. I'm gonna have to take a whole day dedicated to just fucking cleaning this shit. And I can't wait, because I honestly love cleaning my car, so. But yeah, I just missed the interior, you know, the peanut butter and the ambient lighting and everything, man. Like, I can't wait. So yeah, that's the update for the car right now. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. The car's about to be up. So many ideas for when it gets up. I got new tune, E40. See you in the next one.
Сажусь в студийное кресло, как на электрический стул. Пятые сутки не сплю, и в этом есть свой плюс. Я тороплюсь закончить последний блюз на стреле из города белых дорог в город Ленина. Я буду в 9 там седой, встреть меня. Терапия в застенках 10-го отделения. Салют пропащее поколение Патрика и Германа. В поисках причин внутрь в самую глубь. Правда срывается с обветренных губ. 28 белых.
Almost there. Hooking up the generator. I just got this little Thor adapter in now. Plugged it in. About to log into MHD and flash my new tune. Hopefully we get some results. So. Oh, look at this over here. What we got here? Whoa. Oh my god. Damn. I never really see these up in person like that. Sheesh. That's hard. Yeah. Alright, y'all. It's been a minute since I flashed the tune. There goes the adapter. It's plugged in, waiting for this to load up. It's connecting to my DME, which it hasn't done in so long. I hope this works. We're flashing it now. Maybe that's why. Alright, you guys, so this is one of the issues I've been dealing with. Let me show you guys these codes I've been getting. I want to know if you guys recognize any of these codes. So most of these, they are not really like relevant. I'm gonna show you the ones that will not, that keep persisting. So this one is the accelerator pedal module pedal sensor plus body synchronization 0027E8. That one will not go away. Every time I can't even bleed, you know, the coolant or, you know, add clutch fluid or do anything because of that code. I can't even, you know, reset my DME. I'm pretty sure that's because of that one. The blow valve was fine. These right here. So I'm having valvetronic problems, and then now I'm getting an intake camshaft sensor, electric circuit, short battery, digital. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's a lot of DME and valvetronic. So that's what's causing the main problem. And I'm stumped. We changed battery, changed valve cover, changed every single injector. You know, it's tuned for it. Okay, it's fine. Tuner says it's fine. Everything's fine. Engine literally has a new head. Everything's replaced, but yet still idling rough. Any ideas? I would appreciate it if you guys would comment down below. Well, yeah, other than that, that's what's really stumping me from having my car start and run and idle fine. So, yeah, if you guys do have any ideas, feel free to shoot a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. So, yeah, peace out.